So when you're driving in the RV and the slides are in, you can still get back to the bedroom, have a nap, you can still use the bathroom and things like that. So it's still usable. But when you make camp, you want to extend this slide out and it really opens up the floor plan for you. Here's a tip. Make sure you're connected to your electric, your water and your sewer before you do this, because it extends the slide where you have to connect all those items, and you might hit your head, you have to duck, and it is a greater cause for injury if you don't do those things first. So we've done those things. We now need to extend the slide. With the engine running and the handbrake on, so engine is running, handbrake is on because you've got that sign there. Now it's safe for us to extend the slide. And on the management panel, it says slide extend and retract. And we're just going to push this and you'll hear it move out. Now, if for some reason it doesn't go out straight away, check that the engine's running, the handbrake's on, and actually rock it. Go forward and then back, forward and then back. And that should release any issues. So there you go. You can hear it and you can actually see it going back. And once it's fully extended, I'll give you another view of what it looks like. Alright, it's fully extended. And now look at that extra space you've just created. It really opens up the RV and really gives you a lot of space.